Dear learner, welcome to this session. This is Instructor John Eluru. And today we're going to look at still trigonometry. We're going to look at heights and distances. And the submodule we're going to look at is angle of elevation and the angle of depression. We're going to introduce what an angle of elevation is. An angle of elevation is an angle formed by the line of sight when looking up from the horizontal to the object above the observer. So if this is our observer, is a person. An angle of elevation is, can call it theta. This is an horizontal. This is our angle of elevation, angle theta. This is our horizontal line, and this is the total height from the ground. We call it height h. So when you're calculating the height from the horizontal line, we shall consider this as our y. So when you are calculating the angle of elevation, theta, we shall say tan of theta is equals to our y, that is the height of the line of sight to the horizontal, where this object is. So I said tan of theta is equals to, that is y over our x. X is the horizontal line. So our theta will be equal to the arctan of y over x. That is our theta. So the height, this other height, can call it t. T is the height of the observer. So if they want you to calculate the total height, you'll say total height is height y plus t. That is the height of the observer. So the next thing we're going to look at is our angle of depression. When we're looking at an angle of depression, a learner has to stand from the cliff. Our angle of depression is an angle formed when the line of sight, the angle formed by the line of sight when looking down from the horizontal to an object below the observer. For example, this is our cliff. The observer is here. When this is our horizontal line from this side, horizontal line from this side. So our angle of depression angle of depression is this. Let's assume this is water and it's a straight line. This is a ship. This is a ship sailing. This is a ship. So our angle of depression, the straight line, our angle of depression is this. This angle is our angle of depression. So when you're calculating, that is how we consider. So angle theta is an angle of depression, horizontal line. So this is the vertical height. Vertical height, a distance where it is standing up to the depth of water. And our vertical height H, the height of a person standing, we can call V. So if we're calculating, we shall say tan of theta, this is our X, distance X from our height, from this A to where our ship is B. So when we are calculating, we shall say tan of theta is equals to, so these are alternating angles. If that is theta, this one will also be our theta. So it will be, tan of theta will be our total height, T plus H divided by X. That is how we calculate theta. So our theta will be arctan of T plus H over X. So thank you, Lana.